Have you ever struggled with greasy fried food or messy kitchen cleanup? What if one simple kitchen tool could help make your fried foods crispier, healthier, and easier to prepare? Welcome back to Smart Home Hub. Today, we're reviewing the heavy-duty stainless steel frying rack with tray and foldable metal mesh basket, a versatile kitchen accessory designed for frying, draining excess oil, baking, roasting, cooling, and even serving food. Let's see whether this stainless steel cooking companion deserves a place in your kitchen. Inside the package, you'll typically find heavy-duty stainless steel drip tray, foldable stainless steel mesh basket, stainless steel cooling and draining rack. Everything arrives ready to use with no assembly required. The first impression is excellent. The stainless steel construction feels solid, sturdy, and much stronger than many inexpensive alternatives. The polished finish also gives it a premium appearance that looks great in any modern kitchen. This set is built from food-grade stainless steel, making it resistant to rust, corrosion, stains, and high cooking temperatures. Unlike coated wire racks that may chip over time, stainless steel offers excellent durability for everyday cooking. The foldable mesh basket is one of its best features. When expanded, it provides plenty of room for cooking and draining food. When not in use, it folds nearly flat, saving valuable storage space. The sturdy handles make lifting hot food much safer and more convenient. Meanwhile, the included tray catches excess oil underneath, helping keep your countertop and stovetop cleaner. This isn't just a frying basket. Its versatility makes it useful for many different cooking tasks. Use it to drain fried chicken, cook crispy French fries, fry shrimp and seafood, prepare tempura, roast vegetables, cool freshly baked cookies, rest grilled steak, bake chicken wings, dry washed fruits and vegetables, even serve snacks directly on the table. Instead of buying several kitchen tools, this one performs multiple jobs exceptionally well. Now, let's put it to the test. First, we'll fry a batch of crispy chicken wings. As soon as the wings come out of the oil, they go directly into the mesh basket resting on the tray. Immediately, excess oil begins draining away. Instead of sitting in a pool of grease, the food remains elevated, helping preserve that delicious, crispy texture. Next, we test homemade French fries. Again, the elevated design allows airflow around the food while oil drips into the tray below. The result? Crispier fries with noticeably less surface oil. The stainless steel construction also remains stable, even when loaded with heavier foods. No bending, no wobbling, just solid support. One of the biggest advantages is cleanup. Since the entire set is dishwasher safe, cleaning couldn't be easier. For hand washing, the smooth stainless steel surface rinses clean quickly with warm water and dish soap. Unlike coated baskets that eventually peel or discolor, stainless steel maintains its appearance for years with proper care. Kitchen storage is always important. Thanks to its foldable basket design, this set occupies very little cabinet space. Simply fold the basket flat, stack the tray underneath, and store everything together. Perfect for small kitchens, apartments, or RV cooking. This product is ideal for home cooks, air fryer users, deep frying enthusiasts, baking lovers, barbecue fans, meal preppers, families, small restaurants, food content creators. Whether you're cooking chicken, fish, vegetables, pastries, or desserts, this rack and basket can become one of the most useful accessories in your kitchen. Pros: premium food-grade stainless steel finish, heavy-duty construction, foldable space-saving basket, excellent oil draining performance, dishwasher safe, rust-resistant, multi-purpose functionality, easy to clean, professional appearance, suitable for baking, roasting, frying, cooling, and serving. Cons: the handles can become hot after prolonged cooking, so oven mitts are recommended. Because it's stainless steel, it may show fingerprints after handling, but they wipe away easily. So, is the heavy-duty stainless steel frying rack with tray and foldable mesh basket worth buying? Absolutely. Its durable construction, practical design, excellent oil draining capability, and versatility make it a fantastic addition to almost any kitchen. Whether you're preparing crispy fried chicken, roasting vegetables, baking cookies, or simply cooling fresh pastries, this set helps improve both cooking results and kitchen organization. It's simple, functional, and built to last. Sometimes the best kitchen upgrades aren't complicated. They're just well designed. Thanks for watching another review from Smart Home Hub. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest reviews of smart home products, kitchen gadgets, coffee equipment, and innovative everyday tools. Now, we'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite fried food? Fried chicken, French fries, shrimp, tempura? Tell us in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next Smart Home Hub review.